Yo, welcome back, boys. I'm Bandit Camp. We continuing the series 50 cases. Today we opened 50 10% furnaces. I think it's a really smart move. Okay, let's do this. 2v2.
Oh,
Get a good board this time.
wait for people. Wait for people, maybe.
Wait for people. Nah,
No,
bro.
it's okay.
Fuck it. We'll call the bandits. Let's get it.
Alright.
Let's see some pulls on the left. Okay, that's a really good start.
Good start.
Very juicy.
We got Lil Jimmy on our side. Let's see if Lil Jimmy gonna carry us today.
Wasn't he with you?
It's like a 40% chance to fall.
Come on, where are the pulls, bro? Need 2 pulls.
1%. Your son, run out.
Nice!
11 more?
He called it! We all know 20 would have been better.
Come on.
Ooh,
Nice! Let's go! We're pulling, what the fuck?
Yeah,
Whoa,
the 18 bucks.
Okay, we got a big lead right now. Like 28. Nice! Come on, feed us, feed us.
We can tank some hits right now.
Let's go!
Oh,
You're up like 40, I'm pretty sure.
Nice! What the fuck?
Oh, 60.
Holy
record.
shit! Someone said your luck is insane today. In the chat. Okay, nice! It's not that good. Okay, nice, easy, bro.
That's
What the
beautiful,
fuck?
That's beautiful, beautiful.
Lil Jimmy, bro, carrying. Let's go! Oh my god. This is paying, actually.
It is.
We need them to pull, we need them to pull.
Okay, we got 15 cases left. Okay.
Fine.
Tank that hit.
Nice! Oh my god! Let's go! What the fuck?
Playing like.
That's so lucky, bro.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Come on.
Nice.
Oh,
Oh, okay, that's fine.
It's double.
This is- we haven't seen that furnace actually yet.
Yeah.
That's crazy, bro. That's
Should've
crazy.
put the ones.
Yeah,
Come on.
crazy,
Pulls
out.
down
Oh.
as well.
Come on, 20%.
Okay.
20.
No, I think they.
Get another 40.
Nah. Like if
Pulls down
you,
on the right as well.
they need insane luck to win.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah,
easy
they
W,
need
bro.
to get- They need to get like the treasure one every single time.
Yeah. Okay, 5 cases left. Come on, give you some more pulls.
Everyone just stop.
Feed us,
Everyone
feed us. Nice, that's okay, that's okay.
Yeah.
Right? We good? We good?
Yeah,
I'm not sure.
Right, you are.
stop. Just chill.
You're definitely be fine, brother. You outpulled them so much.
Okay, everyone pull, everyone pull. Imagine they double pull the fucking treasure now and they win.
Yeah, that's possible.
No, I don't even think they can.
It is
Alright,
possible,
alright.
but that's so low, Chan.
Yeah, that's.
Then the side is rigged. Okay, no
Easy.
pulls on the last cases. Did it pay though? Did it pay? I'm not sure if it paid.
Yeah, it
It
paid.
paid.
Oh my god!
Holy, oh my god.
Double!
bro.
Let's go, bro! It's a W. Greedy heading out, boys. Big W. Let me know in the
Oh.
comments what 50 cases you want to see next. And I might do it.
Yes, sir.
Have a nice day.